Hi everyone, it's Marcy, and I wanted to do a flip through of the journal I made for Dear Julie Julie's February Find It and Finish It Journal Challenge. So this is my journal, and it's got a fabric cover with a layer of batting underneath it. It is a soft cover journal, 9x6. It has 3 signatures. 54 pages, plus in the center signature, there is a folio. So I did the fabric cover with batting underneath, and I stitched around it so it's got some puffy little pocketed type areas in it. I'm not a quilter, but in essence, I went through and just did some, not in a pattern, just some sort of messy stitching all the way around it. And I've got this embossed frame with this image of the bird and the flowers and a little bit of lace trim here. And I've just got it closed with some seam binding. So on the inside, I've got some scrapbook paper. And flip this over, and here I've got, excuse me, a pocket and tuck space that has this tag in it. And a little journaling card here. And a card here that has some space on the back that you could journal on, with a couple of journaling cards tucked inside. Pull those out so you can see that. And that's just using a time card. Just tuck that right back there. And here I've just got some washi tape down. I've got railroad form paper here. And here we've got a paper clip holding our first flip-flop. So we've got flip-flop with some butterfly stenciling very faintly on there and some washi tape. This journal does have a lot of blank pages in it that could either be decorated or written in. Here we've got a fabric tab. And here we've got a fabric flip with some fabric and a die cut on it and some fringe here. And the reason it's got so many blank pages is because I got carried away with some of my embellishing, and so my journal was becoming really fluffy. Here's another tab. I put tabs on my lined pages just so you could get to them quickly. And here we've got an envelope that is folded, and there's a little tuck here with a couple of tickets in it, and a tuck here with a tag, a tuck back here with another tag in it, and a little tuck over here with the journaling card in it. And here we've got a second flip-flop held on by a paper clip. So used more washi tape and just used some stickers and die cuts to decorate some of those pages. And there is right here a little space that you could tuck something into if you so chose. And that's the end of the first signature. And then here is the center signature. And in it, I've just got a folio that is tied closed. So you open the folio this way, and you've got several sheets of writing paper. And on this side, you've got a couple of journaling cards tucked in right here. And I've got a thread I need to get rid of. And then you flip open here, and we've got a nice large tag that is a shaker tag. Put some filler in there and just made a little shaker tag out of that. And here we've got a tag with the Eiffel Tower on it, and a clock, little label. And those just sit right in there. So just a fun little folio. Right there, and this tie closure just to keep it closed. So then we move on to the third signature, and we've got our third flip-flop. Again, I've decorated, it's got several pages in it, and I've decorated some of the pages on it. And another tab. And here we've got a felt pocket that I embossed on and used some of my inks on. And we've got a couple of little journaling cards inside there. And here we've got a fabric pocket with a nice tall file index card with lots of journaling space, a little tab here that says memories. And there's a little pocket right here with another little journaling card in it. And you could, I thought this would be good to add a picture to or something. So that's just right in there. And over here, we've got a couple of tags. And this tag actually has another little tag in it. Created a little belly band with another little tag in it. Then we've got our flip up, flip down. And inside it, we've got some lined journaling space and a couple of little journaling cards tucked in there. So there's those. And the flower just helps keep the flip-flop closed. Over here, so see there's lots of space for writing or adding other things. I'd probably want to take some of the embellishments out. Here we've got our fourth flip-flop with yet more journaling space and plenty of space over here for photographs or more. There actually is a good bit of journaling space in here. And again, here I left that open so you could slide something in there. And we've got a fourth fabric tab there. And here we've got a belly band. And it tucked behind the belly band, we have this little folder that has a journaling card here. Open it up. And you've got a tag here. And a couple of little journaling cards on the other side. And then flip it over and you've got another little journaling card here. And that is the end of the journal. So even though it's got lots of blank pages, it's got a lot of stuff, a lot of interactive stuff in it that make it nice and chunky, that could be taken out. If some of the items were taken out, there would be lots of journaling space to add your own stuff. But because it is a soft cover, the cover will just kind of bend around the journal, which is kind of not, that's one of the reasons I really like soft cover journals. Anyway, So that is my journal for the February Find It and Finish It Junk Journal Challenge. I hope you enjoyed that. Please let me know what you think of this journal. And until next time, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.